Thank you for watching our video. Please give us a big like, subscribe to our channel for new videos every day with amazing cars. Leave us your opinion in the comment section on the video. Thank you.
We've been admiring the good looks of Volkswagen's CC replacement, the Arteon, for nearly a year now, from afar, that is. But now VW has finally announced US market information for the 2019 Arteon, and it doesn't appear to be at all dumbed down compared to the Europe market version that has been on sale for a while now. Like the European Arteon we drove last year, all US cars will come standard with a version of VW's 2.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine that puts out 268 horsepower and 258 pounds-to-foot of torque. It will power the front wheels as standard through an 8-speed automatic transmission. The 6-speed manual once offered on the CC is no more, and 4Motion all-wheel drive will be optional on each of the 3 trim levels, SE, Cell, and Cell Premium. Because the Arteon is intended to sit in a more upmarket segment than the plebeian Passat, its list of standard features is generous. The SE comes with an adaptive damping system, proximity key entry, 3-zone automatic climate control, forward collision warning and autonomous emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, and an 8.0-inch touchscreen with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Stepping through the Cell and Cell Premium trims adds equipment such as a digital instrument cluster, a panoramic sunroof, a power liftgate, yes, the Arteon is a hatchback, and other active safety features including adaptive cruise control and lane departure warning. Standard wheels are 18 inches while 19 inches are optional, presumably on the Cell Premium. We won't know official pricing until closer to the 2019 Arteon's on sale date in the third quarter of 2018, but VW said to expect the starting price somewhere near the cost of a fully loaded midsize sedan. That means it should pick up around where the Passat tops out, in the $34,000 $35,000 range, with a loaded Arteon Cell Premium likely cresting the $40,000 mark.
Thank you for watching our video. Please give us a big like, subscribe to our channel for new videos every day with amazing cars. Leave us your opinion in the comment section on the video. Thank you.